Hello everyone, I am Sudhir Maurya. Today I am going to solve the problem of max height 1 which was asked in SHASTRA Coding Club challenge. So let us solve the problem. So Samir has a block of bricks and an unusual way of forming a structure using bricks which is described as follows. He puts one brick in the first row, then puts 3 bricks in the second row, then puts 5 bricks in the third row and so on. So basically he is putting the bricks in an odd number manner. So if you see the structure, he is an this is an unusual manner he is putting. So first row one brick, second row 3 bricks, and third row 5 bricks. Can you tell him the maximum possible height of the structure? So let us understand this question. Suppose Samir has 9 bricks. Then in the first row he will put. Then in the first row, one brick will be he will be putting. Then in the second row he will be putting three bricks. Then in the third row he will be putting 5 bricks. If we do the addition of this, then we will get 9. Suppose Samir has 10 bricks. Then then he will do one first in the first row one brick, in the second row 3 bricks, in the third row 5 bricks, but he will not go in the fourth row. If he will go in the fourth row, then the bricks will be increased as he is going in an odd number manner. So in the fourth row 7 bricks will be added. Therefore fourth row will not be considered, only 3 rows will be considered. uh, Let us see. Let us see the input format. So the first line of input contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Test cases is basically is nothing but how many times the program will run. So the for each test case, we have an integer n denoting the number of bricks. Okay, so let's see the output format. For each test case, output a single line containing an integer corresponding to the maximum possible height of the structure. So what we have to find is we have to find how many rows for the input we have to find. If the user has entered 9, if the user has 9 bricks, then we have to find how many maximum possible of bricks can be possible. Let us see the input format. So there are two test cases. First test case, the single integer 7, and second test case, the single integer 4. For 7 there is two possible maximum height, and similarly for 4 there are also two possible for maximum height. Let us see how it is. uh, if we if the if 7 bricks are there, then Samir would in the first row in the one brick, and in the second row 3 bricks, because if we go in the next row there will be 5 bricks. Then if we add total it will be more. Therefore we have to consider only first 2 rows. And in the second test case, he has 4. Then in the first row he will put one brick only, and in the second row he will put 3 bricks. If you do the addition, there is 4. Therefore no row is needed for this case. Let us see the code for this, how to do this. So I have written this code with Python. So I have imported a max module because I have to use floor function and square root function for using this or for running this code. And then I have taken an input from the user, that is test case, basically test case from the user taking test case. Then I have run the while loop. I have used while loop because I have to run two test cases. Therefore until our last test case run, it will be working. Then I have taken integer input from the user because for each test case there is a single integer. So let us see the first integer. For our first test case there is a 7. So here n will be equal to 7. Then here in the print method, in the print function, max.floor and max.square root function has been used. In this, max.square root will run first. So max.square root of 7 will give us 2.64, and after that max.floor will give us 2. So in the end it will print us 2. That is basically our output of the 7 bricks. If the user has picked 7 bricks, then 2 rows only will be included. Then we will take the second test case, that is our 4, single integer 4. here. Therefore, in this here n will be equal to 4, and here same answer will be printed, that is print 2, because max dot square root of 4 is 2 and max dot floor of 2 is 2 only. So this is how the code runs. Let us see how the this is successfully.
The source code for this question is available in Python, Java in the description below. If you find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe and follow TCD Shastra Coding Club on Instagram. Thank you for watching.